Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you started to go through Figma and started to go through certain thing. You're gonna see about through the part today, which is really be depending on how you started to go and distort text on Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to convert the text to vector. This is ready to be satisfied with the thing that is about to convert it to vector. So we're gonna start to see right here to add this text. As you can see about it, it's so small, so I will make it bigger, and this will be like this. Now once you do that, you will start to go through Control Shift O. This will be about to distort it, enter a vector side mode, so you can start anchor points to start to distort the shape, whatever the side if is splitting, and the style as you need it. If you want, throw it on the right, and that is all about.